Ready? Smile. Show me with teeth. Yes. Eyes here. Make sure to don't make it dirty higher. You're gonna be together. Yan. And then elbows out. Then face the camera. One.
Very good.
Okay. Elbow.
Alright.
Smile, baby. Sige na.
Smile. One more.
One more.
Smile. Chin up. Long neck. Long neck. One.
Wait lang. Baby, saan ka na? Come here.
So wait for your classmates.
Wala kang ganyan. Hindi yan sa iyo. Ang galing ni Suan. Nag-smile. Magdadance kayo ng ganyan? Wow! Wiggle, wiggle. Dangi.
Sige, it's okay. First position na lang. Pakit yung ganyan. See the move? Here's a shot. Relax na.
Okay, pwede lang.
And go. Jump, jump, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open. Wiggle side. Open. Wiggle. And march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nawala si Suan na.
And center. Parisha. And center. Turn, change. Move back. Good. And we stretch. 2, stretch, turn around. Plie. Again. 1, high, 2, and turn. And one line. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plie. Change. Plie. Good. Open, not yet. Open. And close. Arch. And open. Now, plie to the side. Right, close. Left, close. Plie. Jump, open. Again. Right. Left. Plie. Jump. One.
Smile. Yeah. Tingin dito. O sige nga, sayaw na. Sayaw. Wiggle.
Girls, quiet, please.
Masa si Guangi? Anuhin mo nga si Guangi, please.